Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the mutual dependency of features in multimodal biometric systems. As this process is purely based on the feature extraction and the feature matching, this project can be named as mutual dependency of features. And there are two types of models, namely single model and multimodal systems. In single model, we can use only one biometrics at a time, but in a multimodal, we can use two or more biometrics at a time, which means biometrics can be classified as the organs which can be used for authentication process of human is known as biometric systems. The organs may be hand, leg, and eye, etc. And the authentication process can be executed with the help of the voice also. These are known as biometric systems. Now we are going to use the face image and the fingerprint of a person for this process. That's why this project is known as multimodal biometric systems, and the title can be justified as mutual dependency of features in multimodal biometric systems. The main purpose of developing this project is to increase the security efficiency of a highly secured place or a bank or else anything. This paper is based on the security authentication systems to reduce the entering of an unauthorized person into the secured circumstances. This paper has been developed. The biometrics are used for this authentication purpose, as it is a multimodal process. Two or more biometrics can be used for this process. In this, we have taken face and fingerprint for the authentication. The face image and fingerprint image will be processed, and after the matching of those images, the person will be authenticated, otherwise the person will not be authenticated. This might be the flowchart explanation of our project. In this, the input image will be the face image of a person. The input image will be pre-processed by a filtering technique. The filtering technique is known as Gabor filter. The Gabor filter will take the features of the input image and it will store it as a train feature. Training feature is nothing but taking the features of each and every image in a dataset is known as training feature. After the Gabor filtering technique, the image is processed to LDA classifier. The LDA classifier will classify the features of the Gabor filtered output. After classifying each and every matrices, it is separated as a first output, and the second input is given to the process. The second input is known as the fingerprint image. As the fingerprint image is maybe thumb impression, forefinger, or else the middle finger. The thumb or the finger may consist of many edges and ridges. These edges and ridges can be calculated by the minutiae extraction. This minutiae extraction will extract the edges and ridges and take this as a features. This also taken as a train feature and loaded as a second train feature. After taking the two train features, the taken train features will be compared. If the feature of the both the images will match, means the person will be authenticated, or else the person will not be authenticated. This is the MATLAB window which we are going to run our project. Go to main.m and run the file. This is the datasets of our project. Any one of the image will be selected. Now we are selecting the second image. The input image is cropped and the output is displayed. This is the Gabor filter output. The 12 rows, 12 images came for the Gabor filter output, and this is the features taken for the each and every image in the dataset. And next we are going to select a fingerprint. As we have selected the second image, we want to select the second fingerprint, and the output will be authenticated. We selected the second image and the second fingerprint. The output will be authenticated. If we select any other images, the output will be not authenticated. Let us see that. We are selecting the second image and the features are displayed, and Gabor output is also displayed. Now I am selecting the third fingerprint, which is the fingerprint for the next person. If I selected the third fingerprint, means the person will not be authenticated and the output is non-authenticated. This is the features for the fingerprint.